So just taking a quick look at Bitcoin then. I should say Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin, but also Chainlink on our daily time frame for another daily update. Before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved. As you can see, it's a good way to get some free money, some trading capital, or just some free bonuses whilst the market is looking as poor as it is right now. As we can see right now, Chainlink in a bit of a weird spot. We can see quite clearly that we're just retracing in line with the rest of the altcoin space and continuing to reject daily fair value gaps to the downside over and over here. Obviously, we had that huge liquidation cascade which created this massive crazy wick that we can see on the chart here. But really, we have just been taking the stairs down ever since we've come down here, had that wick, tested into this daily here, got rejected, tested into another daily, got rejected, making lower lows and lower highs here, and looking for a place where we'll probably come down and get a bounce. You can see right now that Chainlink is kind of, if you say this was the previous swing low and the swing high, you can see we're kind of scything down through areas of support, and this overall Fibonacci pull of this bull market, you can see we've actually come down below our 0.50, now we're heading towards this 0.3, this 0.38 Fibonacci down here that we have bounced out of a few times previously. But overall, Chainlink looking like a bit of a mess right now, if I'm being completely honest. Really, we've just been chopping around for the past 2 years or so, really not doing too much. The altcoin market in general really struggling in this cycle to get any kind of momentum like it has previously. Bitcoin has been stealing the show in terms of liquidity. And really, if you look at Ethereum here, we're pretty much highly correlated to Ethereum's price action. Ethereum retracing and Chainlink looking like pretty much a 1-for-1 of the price action of Ethereum on this rejection to the downside again. So right now we just need to be seeing a Bitcoin having a bounce out of this local area. Bitcoin's been retracing the market, as you can quite obviously see here. Currently bouncing out of this daily, weekly fair value gap combo and the 618 Fibonacci of this local area. And typically speaking, every single time that we've had a 50% retrace in this market, we have seen Bitcoin bounce to the upside. So it'll be interesting to see, will we bounce here or will Bitcoin go into a bear market? Either way, I think it's going to suit me because I'm just going to keep buying for the long term regardless. But we are starting to get now a very nice retrace from the all-time high. What we're looking at now, down almost 30%. Usually you do get these 30% corrections in bull markets for Bitcoin. What would be 30%? 30% would be pretty much where we're at, to be honest, with that wick. Come down, test into this area and bounce would be a likely scenario. For now, Chainlink, absolutely beholden to what Bitcoin does, and we're going to have to wait and see whether or not we bounce at this level. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.